On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have a special video today. On our signature lasagna video, we received a request from a Tina Davis. This is what she said. If the dish appeared on the box from the way it came out of the oven, no, I wouldn't buy the signature lasagna. But it is good to know, although it does taste good, thanks. And she had a special request for us. She said there is a breakfast sausage that I would like for you to test out. It is made by ButterBall all-natural turkey breakfast sausage patties. We look forward to hearing about what it look, smell, and tastes like. Thanks. So we appreciate your request, Miss Tina Davis, and we have that one here. Right here, we were able to find it for you. And so we're gonna let you know what it tastes like, what it smells like, and of course, what it looks like. So Miss Tina Davis, this video is for you.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like.
On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have ButterBall all-natural turkey breakfast sausage patties. And now, let's see what it looks like. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. Serving size, 2 patties. Servings per container, 4. Calories, 110. Total fat, 7 grams. Saturated fat, 2 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 50 milligrams. Sodium, 420 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 0 grams. Protein, 10 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is pretty close to the box. The sausage definitely cooked up really well. Maybe I cooked it a little bit too long, I don't know. Theirs looks a little undercooked to me, but it definitely looks like sausage. It says it's turkey breakfast sausage patty, but it looks like it's pork sausage, quite honestly. But I think it looks pretty good. The box is very round, whereas mine, it's not quite as round as the box, as you can see here. But overall, I'd say the patties turned out pretty good. One thing I'd say is that on the box, the patties look a lot bigger. In person though, they look a lot smaller. In fact, for my sandwich that I'm gonna make, I need to have 2 patties on there instead of 1. But overall, I'd say it looks pretty similar to the box. It smells just like sausage. Actually, it smells really good. I can't tell that this is not pork. It smells just like pork sausage. I mean, it smells really good. I can't wait to eat it, dig into it. It doesn't have any weird taste, smell to it. I really can't say much about it. It just smells like regular breakfast sausage. So that's a good thing since it's made out of turkey. Okay. Alright, tastes good. Tastes just like sausage. I don't taste any fillers. You know how sometimes you buy these sausage patties or things and it has all these cereal fillers in there? This one, I don't taste anything. That's really good flavor. Okay, I like this. So we couldn't make a video just about breakfast sausage patties, right? Because it's breakfast time. I am hungry. So I made a bagel, egg, and sausage with cheese breakfast sandwich using the all-natural ButterBall turkey. So let's see how that tastes as a sandwich. This is really good. I love the way the sausage and the egg blends together. The toasted bagel with the butter on there is so good. I mean, this tastes better than I think a breakfast sandwich you can get at Chick-fil-A or McDonald's. And this is really good. I also have some orange juice to wash it down with. Well, this is a good breakfast. So if you ever see the ButterBall turkey at the store, know that you will not be disappointed if you eat this for breakfast. It is really good.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 8! Next up is taste. Let's get that 9. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. So 9. So I'd like to thank Miss Tina Davis for her request. Without that, I would have never known about the ButterBall Turkey All Breakfast Patties. I really appreciate that, and if anyone has a request that they'd like for us to do to let you know what it smells like, what it tastes like, and what it looks like, please leave us a comment below, and if we can find it, we will show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.